Like this video and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on you while you're sleeping. True gravity and rotation on a wet run of concrete, this concrete road edger forms a perfectly sculpted road curb in just seconds. Instead of taping off the glass on this French door before painting, the entire door is sprayed, and then this scraper tool is used to blade off the paint. A pre-made foundational rope is placed inside a series of smaller ropes, and then braided and spliced to create a rope strong enough to tug a boat. This giant circular magnet drops down and sucks up a pile of dust with metal components in a very artful way. Various airless sprayer tips containing different paint colors are mounted to this truck to create perfect aero lines for incoming airliners. As a means to keep the production line at Chick-fil-A free and uncluttered, chicken chains developed a conveyor belt that transports their food via the ceiling. A tractor with a rotating rake-like arm that spins in a counterclockwise fashion rapidly scoops up and gathers unwanted rocks in a field. This old piece of rust-colored scrap metal gets restored in just seconds thanks to this ultra-powerful laser with an energy output of 150 millijoules. This large piece of fish gets filtered into thin slices in just seconds when it gets pushed through a cutting machine with sharp blades that oscillate from side to side. What starts off as a solid piece of metal on a mill turn quickly gets sheared into a custom trailer hitch by various carving arms coming in from different angles.